explain it, why should you use the firewall in industry? Because the firewall is important part of the device in networking areas. So first, one of the questions come your mind, what is a firewall? Firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on an organization. Okay, basically is designed firewall just filter the traffic come from incoming, the traffic come from outgoing. Okay, so look at that and the image. The firewall is established between the private and public network. Okay, so when requests go through private network on the public network, the firewall filter the content. Okay, the content is filtered, then content will be travel on the outside network. So software based firewall also filter the traffic incoming and outgoing traffic, but not a critical scenario based protecting provide. So hardware based firewall is a like a device the engineer will be manage on behalf of policies, but software based policy is not possible. Okay, so let's start. Okay, there are 5 types of firewall. First firewall is packet filter firewall. Packet filter firewall does filter the packets, which packet you want to come your network and which type of packet will not be outside network. Okay, so that is a packet filter firewall. Like you block the firewall, you block the some services on the packet filter firewall, like port 22 ports, like port 80 ports, port and FTP ports. They are blocked from on the packet based filter firewall. Why should you firewall using in this market? In a scenario in 2001 concept was the FortiGate market share in 40%. So we are focusing to learn in a Fortinet file. Fortinet file is a very easy way to configuration, two-way configuration, like graphically and non-graphically. Now in top firewall software comprising 2021 based on MikroTik routers and switches versus PF. PF says this is software based. If you statistic data will find out to use a firewall in the industries. So like this types, there is a statistics record of data. The mostly organization using. Why do you company configure firewall on network? In this behalf, we so company. The company implement on behalf of firewall. The first is monitor network traffic. Okay, second, stop virus attack. Third, prevent hacking. Fourth, stop spyware. Promotes privacy. Stop malware. And site-to-site IPsec VPN will be applied, and VPN service should be applied. Okay. So like firewall is not a different types of service will provide. This types of like a VPN site-to-site VPN service will be provided from firewall devices. Okay, and also VPN service. On COVID situation, the VPN service will be high utilizations in the company organization, because on that day the mostly people work from home. So they are not the people unable to be attend office hours, so they are work at his work from home. But the challenge is one thing, the people unable to be access his company server. So the company decided that the server will be applied on the public network, so hamper your security and breach on your network. So the company using the firewall like Fortinet and other types of firewall, and the by default comes in a VPN service, site-to-site VPN service. Okay, so like VPN service will be implemented in this firewall, and the software will be built on the remote user. The remote user just download the software and connect through VPN on his public private networks. Okay,